It is another day, another Starbucks. Have you heard of that? Another day, another foodie adventure. Do you guys like my glasses? I just got them. I ordered them from Ray-Ban and I kind of love them. And then I got Abel some. Let me show you guys how he looks. Oh, look at those glasses. We're gonna go try out some new spots around here. I think we're gonna try some Korean fried cheese dog. I don't know, we'll see what else comes up. I hope you can hear me. Just got to the place. It's like in a little shopping center. Let me show you guys how it looks. So it's like a little shopping center and that's the spot right there. It's called CrunCHeese Hot Dog. Thank you. Good, how are you doing? Can I get a cheddar and sausage? Do I tell you the condiments? Oh, okay, perfect. We just got the stuff. Can you guys see that? Look at it. Look at that goodness. Do you see yours? Can you see it? AJ is asleep, so that's why we're kind of quiet. Let's try it. Cheers. Delicious. So I got a mozzarella sausage with sweet chili oil and garlic parmesan on top. Abel got a cheddar and sausage with the same toppings, and then we got a potato mozzarella with hot sauce and honey butter. And yours, I put sugar on it, and this one doesn't have sugar.
Dude, this is something else. This is so damn good.
So good.
I haven't had it before.
This is delicious. Another regular corn dog. It's delicious. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is potato mozzarella.
Just about my first.
I like it. But this is I like this way more.
I like the
Sipping wine.
I don't know the whole song.
Sip in my room. Something like that. Okay, so we are home and we got some food from, what's the name of the place?
Matiki Island.
Matiki Island
Matiki.
BBQ.
The barbecue chicken. The other one is beef ribs.
Oh, okay, nice.
Check out this one.
Ooh,
beef
my
ribs.
gosh, look at those beef ribs.
Damn.
Wow. This
Chicken.
is a chicken. Oh,
And then there's
my
sauce
gosh.
in here for your chicken too. I decide.
Nice.
Dude, we gotta start eating.
Let's try. So we're gonna try, well, I'm gonna try the macaroni salad.
That's good.
That's really good. AG, you want some? This is really good. So Abel saw this on TikTok, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the size. Oh, look at the size of this. They're huge.
Dude, it comes right off.
Can you guys see that?
Mom.
Wow. You want some, Mama?
You want a bite?
Right?
Try it. It's good. Look.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's so tender, soft. I think AJ likes it too. I don't want to put him on the camera because he's just in a diaper and he's like, you know, he just woke up from a little nap. Even he likes it.
You want some more?
Oh yeah, he likes it. Now let's try the chicken.
Sorry.
You okay? That's a chicken right there. ¿Qué pasó? You want some chicken? It's so good.
You want to pour the sauce on it?
I'll pour it right now. Monday. More? AJ liked the chicken too.
Well, that's really good.
It's really good.
It's all tender. Like,
yeah, everything is just so tender. You're so funny.
I'm telling you, like sometimes eating it's like it feels like an experience, and it's like,
It does.
It's been such a great experience all today. Everything we've had has been good. The donuts were good.
Monday. More chicken?
The corn dogs were good, and
The
now this.
fried dog. I think fried dog for me was just extra special because I had been wanting to try it for a good 2 years now. And I don't know,
Really?
there's so many in LA.
We just never.
went. Your thoughts on today? To close out the video?
That was fun. Since we got here, I have been wanting to do this. Just go to a couple different spots, try them out for ourselves, see if that's something we like, and then keep trying the next spot. And then if we really like these places, great. And now we can say, hey, we tried this really cool spot. So whenever we have visitors, family, friends over, it's like, hey, we could take them places. Like, hey, we know a couple of good spots, and let's go try them out together.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're in the area, make sure you check out these spots. I'll leave like the information down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.